This is a video about a skid pan day that we did at Thruxton Circuit on my birthday with a very wet last run. So let's get into the video. Hello YouTube and welcome back to another video. This video is about a skid pan day that we did at Thruxton. I would like to give a big shout out to Sam, who was a passenger with us on the day, and he also did some great filming which he has let me use the footage of, so thank you very much Sam. Also a big thanks to the others for helping with filming on the day as well. If you own a Caterham, I would highly recommend that you join the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club, as you get a chance to do things that you otherwise probably wouldn't. For instance, this skid pan day was organised by the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club, and it was only for 10 Caterhams. There were 5 of us local friends that signed up to do it, so we travelled down together. It was a great day spent with friends, and it was also my birthday, so I got a special run at the end, but more on that later. The driving down together was nearly as much fun as the day itself. We went down some great roads, and we also saw lots of bikers all suited up. If anyone knows what that was all about, just let me know in the comments below. We eventually arrived at the Thruxton Circuit. We found the skid pan area, and we had a briefing before we started. The inside part of the track, which was grey in colour, is a very slippery surface which was polished concrete, and the darker area on the outside was very grippy. The instructor said the outside was 6 times more grippy than our normal road surfaces. Basically, the middle is super slippery when the sprinklers wet it, and the outside will stop you. As we were lining up on the side of the track, we had to take it steady through the first lot of cones before sliding round in a big circle at the bottom. We were told to drive around the circle up to 5 times and then drive off so the next person could have a go. I'd never been on a skid pan before and it was brilliant fun. So much more slippery than I thought it would be, however silly that sounds. We were in first or second gear, going very slowly and trying to control the slides with steering corrections and the throttle. It was very hard to do, and we were all slipping all over the place. There were a few places that were more slippery than others, and the surface was changing depending on how much water was on it. So when you thought you had mastered it, the next time it was different. If you are a Caterham owner, you will know this, but for viewers that don't know much about Caterhams, here is some information that makes this more challenging for Caterhams than other cars. We have no driver aids at all. That means no power steering, no ABS, no traction control, and the cars are very light, normally around 500 kilos, which is around 1100 pounds. All of the aids that you get in a normal car, which would help you control a spin, we have none of these, plus Caterhams are also rear wheel drive. Let's see some more clips of Caterham sliding around and having fun.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
This video was so hard to edit as it was getting longer and longer with all the clips that I wanted to add in. It's a good problem to have though, having too much good footage. It's taken me about 30 hours to edit this video, so hopefully that deserves a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I want to say a big thanks to the other owners that were happy for me filming them on the day and let me put a GoPro on their car. If any of you want the whole footage, just let me know in the comments below and I can send it to you. Hopefully seeing your own car on this video is good fun. Hopefully this video is making you want to do a skid pan day, as it was a brilliant day. I also wanted to add that even though Fern should have an LSD, it broke and currently she has an open diff due to money reasons. So if you were thinking, I only have an open diff so it won't be fun, you would be definitely wrong. A few more clips and then it will be the wet birthday run, which I think has turned out great.
They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
As it was my birthday, I kept being teased that when I was out there, they would turn the sprinklers on. The more I thought about it, I thought this would be some really good content for YouTube, so here it is. This was the last run of the day, and especially for me with the sprinklers on at the start. Louis was brave enough to be my passenger and to hold a GoPro for me, so thank you very much, Louis. I think he got wetter than me, to be honest, so sorry about that, Louis.
Yeah.
I say, he's going to put them on, isn't he?
What's this?
Sprinklers, please!
They're actually requesting it now.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Birthday run.
Birthday. Yeah. Go for it.
Really?
Well, yeah, it's more about you, to be honest. Hey!
Oh, fuck me, that's all that.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh man, that tastes horrible.
Oh, there we go.
It doesn't feel too bad though. It's quite good with the doors off, although I'm getting soaked over this side. pleasure.
Wasn't
Nice
even that
driving.
bad. See ya.
I would like to say a big thank you to the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club for organising this day for us. I will leave a link in the description below to the Thruxton Skid Pan website where you can book using one of their cars or use your own. If you are a member of the Caterham and Lotus 7 Club, keep an eye out on blatchat if another skid pan day is organised. I think this would be easier to do in a different car, so I would like to try a skid pan day another time in a different car with traction control on and also off to see what the differences are. It was a brilliant day spent with friends and a great thing to do on my birthday. I'm releasing a video every Sunday this year, and I've got lots planned this year, so make sure that you are subscribed so you see the videos when they are released. Thank you very much for watching, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.
Definitely recording.
Definitely recording.
We're definitely recording, aren't we?
Needs to be a spirited run as well.
What's this? Is he gonna put them
Sprinklers, please.